chopper number what? Number 1, 2, 3. Number 4 here at the small town or city of Analândia. We gotta make a stop here, and as you can see behind me, as you can see behind me, the amount of people is huge here, even if it's a small town, and it's packed of people. We just grabbed some stuff here to eat, so in the meantime we're gonna hang on here. I mean, look at this. This is like a car from the Max number 7, I guess. Look at this. Steering wheel crazy. Look at the gears change here. My God. It's crazy. So let's take a look outside. Car a thing like this. This is crazy, guys. This is real crazy. Cara, para aí. Gente para Cachoeira da Bocanha. Eu fiquei já filmei com drone, né? Uma coisa legal. Eu nunca fui lá. Nunca? Quantos anos você tem aqui? Eu tenho aqui desde 73. Só espera aí. No, you heard that? This is a true thing. I found this guy here living in 73 years old. However, he never saw that waterfall I posted already on my channel. It's really amazing that thing, né? Então, tem tempo, tá vivo. Vai lá. No, look at what I found here. Lighty McQueen live. Ah, how you like that? Lighty McQueen. What's up, my people? Enrique Morris Adventure delivery one more time. Another chopper. This is chopper number what? Number 1, 2, 3. Number 4 here at the small town or city of Analândia. I'm here in the entrance of the Cachoeira Saltó Levy, or Waterfall Salto Levy in English. is located just in the entrance of the city of Analândia, Sao Paulo, Brazil. Folks, I hope you got the chance to come here in Sao Paulo or Brazil. Do not forget to pass through here because it is amazing, this city. I mean, look at this. Coming into the city, I found and get this waterfall just like that. I mean, all right, I've been in places, natural places, like, you know, unknowing, and try to discover places like that, but this is just cool, guys, for those who got low level of endurance into the hike or cycling. Just come, ride your car here, park it right there. You don't have to pay for the car park or the entrance to this waterfall, and you will have to see this beauty. This is beautiful, guys. Seriously, here is prohibited to bring, you know, cooler is pure, you know, to make barbecue and stuff like that. As you can see, you know, they have people here taking pictures, and the waterfall is kind of probably 10 meters or something. I will see how high is this thing here with the drone, you know. Well, it's pretty much beautiful. The water is clean. This waterfall is right here next to the city of Analândia, folks. It can be better than this, all right? So I will deploy the drone and hopefully can take some shot of the place. All right, let's see. Talk to me, folks. What do you think about this beautiful waterfall? What is the name of this waterfall again? Salto. I got you. You know what, guys? I'm the worst on that. But I tell you what, I know you know and saw it already in the introduction of the video. I made it for all of you, all right? So let me know what do you think about the beautiful place here. Like I said before, guys, this place is really convenient. Come and drive through into the city. As you're coming in, you're gonna find this beautiful waterfall that have 10 meters of fall, all right? You got a restaurant right here, and what else to say? Tem algo que falar, Wagner?
A única coisa é não se esqueça de se inscrever no canal do Henrique. Não perca esse conteúdo. Sensacional.
Oi, gente. Falou, personal. Meu amigo Walter, muito obrigado, Walter, pela ajuda, pela confiança.
E água.
Imagina isso, está aqui. Mas está muito gelada, gente, essa água aí. Então, don't forget to subscribe. It's for free.
E até a próxima.
Falou, galera. Tchau, tchau.